Alright everybody, we got another fun one for you today. A lot of people liked the Near Protocol trading video, and it was pretty wild, so we're going to try it again. We're going to do Near Protocol on 30 minutes. Got a pretty good ratio last time for a 15 minute. Let's see if we can go to 4-to-1 ratio for this. And yeah, so we're just going to scroll back to some random place. I don't like trading the same thing, practice trading the same thing in kind of roughly the same timeline, because I don't want to subconsciously be remembering what happened. But let's go for like that. Yeah, and I only did this once. So what we're going to do is we're going to total up the wins, total up the losses, figure out the win ratio. I'm always trying to get above 4. A lot of times we're getting around 3, especially on the shorter time frames. Did real good on 8 over 8-to-1 ratio. Alright, so we're just going to trade now. Alright. Hopefully the internet's not going to be all slow. And it is. Man. Alright. We are going to deconnect from VPN. We don't really need it. Yeah. Hopefully that makes things faster. Yup. It's a little better. Alright, we're just going to wait for this ADX to look good. Average directional index. Get another big green. Could be going up. Kind of waiting for a big red to pop through. Yeah, okay, it's not happening. Got an increase here. I want this to be closer to the line. See, if this was above this level and that was closer, maybe I would do it. And that's why we don't take that. Is it getting riled up? Man, this is almost enough to go on. We did get a cross here. ADX just ain't good enough. I'm gonna stick to my guns here. Yup. If I was gonna take that, I would have aimed for that. But it doesn't count because we didn't do it. The wick is too much. We get another big red. That is technically increasing. Did cross through the 200 moving average. It's not bigger than this, but it's looking kind of good. Let's make this top line stop loss, and let's go for that. Alright, so that's a stopping. I mean, it's very debatable, but we're just going to get out. 113 profit. Baby! Could go down again. No, okay. Maybe one more big red somewhere in here. It's looking pretty weak. Are we going to get a reversal? Yeah. It's probably reversing. It's just getting stuck in this range. Nope. Alright. It's pretty uptrending looking. We do have a cross on the MACD. That's pretty good. I think we gotta go for this. We can get some volatility. We do have a bit of a wick there. The wick is taller on the top though. Let's say center line is the stop loss. Alright. So we could have gotten more maybe, but I'm gonna say it's 9-3. When you're actually trading this stuff live, obviously the candles are doing this, so it's hard to say exactly when I would have sold, but usually with big movements, if it retraces 50%, I do sell, which it closed below that. We get another giant red out of this. Nope. See, this is tempting. That's uptrending volume. Things are pointed the right way. This kind of looks like it's a correction. I could see it hitting the yellow line. If I had got in, I'd probably get out there. Oh. And maybe hanging on to it wouldn't have been such a bad idea. But I don't really do those trades. I've just seen so many of them not work that it just gets me gun shy about it. Alright. If that didn't have a tail, maybe we'd do something. The wick, that is. If this breaks solidly through. No. This would have been interesting if that had gone up to there. This could still be going up, but we're getting downtrending volume. Doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to go up, it just means it's not reliable enough. That's kind of interesting. I bet the next one's a red though. Okay. See, if this was, I would have taken this at some point if volume was looking good. Break above that. This is just so tepid. Yeah, you don't see this kind of thing that often. That's 8 green candles in a row. Statistically, 9 green candles in a row or 9 red candles in a row essentially never happens. So this is very weird. I'm gonna say red next. Yep. Now if we get a bump out of this, a big upward bump, and we're kind of, alright. This is kind of going the right direction. That, not so much. Man, I don't know if I'd really go for this. We did break above that level though, strongly. So I think, see, this oscillator on the MACD is looking good, and we're about to get a cross. So I think we go for this. These altcoins can be pretty wild though. No. I was gonna say center line stop loss. Center line's kind of the default for the stop loss. That was pretty painful. 206. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes you really gotta listen to the oscillator, man. Oh, we do have a red, green, red. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna go top line to there. Alright, that's another loss. 8-3. This is looking kind of rough, guys. Downtrending volume. Ooh, can't win them all. Alright. So everything's looking good on this. Let's call the middle line the stop loss here and go for that. That is a stopping signal right there. 2-4. Oh man, come on. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Alright. We're going top line. Actually, let's go to there. The top of that candle to here. Yes. I'm getting out though. 154. If we get another big bump. Not quite enough. Okay, if we get a green after this. We like way above anything else. Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's make there the stop loss and go for that. Yes. 175. Yup. Oh man. No, I'm not going for another one. Yep. Just felt like there wasn't much steam left. Now this could go up, and it didn't. It sounds like a basic thing to say, but I try to think of what the obvious thing to happen is. Bet this is gonna hit that yellow line. Came close. Up. I feel like we could get another giant green at some point pretty soon. Okay, maybe not. Sometimes you see it like just right around here correct up big time. Down. If this volume is looking better, maybe. Technically is the right color. This is evening out. If ADX looked better, maybe I'd go for it. Alright. Big up. Nope. If we didn't have the moving averages here, that might be an option. Okay, we've got this. That's the right color, that's the right color. This looks like a big trend reversal to me. That did break pretty high there. This isn't quite enough for me. Okay, if we get another green after this. Yeah, I feel like we got something here. Yeah, let's make the stop loss the top line and go for that. I'm getting out. That is 0.01. Oh man. Nothing really indicated that though. That's what you gotta remember. This was kind of debatable, but that did break above that line. Got uptrending ADX. Maybe we try for that much. Top line is the stop loss. Alright, I'm getting out. 164. This is a pretty good round right here. Got more volume, less result. Let's wait till this trend is kind of over. Ooh. Let's see if we get a correction. If we do, then we get another bump. It's not clear enough. Is this going to hit the yellow line? See, if I had gone for it, I would have gotten out by then. Alright. I think this trend is basically over. Let's call it a day. We'll just get out here. 4-3-22. I forgot to mark down the original date. 10:30. Alright, let's try and guess where we started. This sucks. I need to remember to do this. Yeah, I don't remember this. I would have remembered that. How many candles do we do? A lot. I think it was here. 31, 3, 31, 6. 22, 6. Alright. So let's see the win-loss ratio. I mean, these are estimates, so 2.5 to 1's pretty good for something that's real volatile like this. But yeah, I'm normally trying to get to that 4 to 1. You can't take no risks. Alright, that's 3, 4, 3.125 days. Win ratio. Alright, so if we're making 139 a day, seemed like it was somewhere in there. I don't know. I'll try and remember to do it next time. 139.2 per day, but these were whole days. I can only really trade for about half a day, a little more than that, if I use 3x leverage. So 208.8. So if I'm starting with 10,000, 2.088 for 1 year turns 10,000 into $18 million in a year. Yeah, baby. Alright. And there you have it. That's Near Protocol, guys. I will see you guys on the charts.